Hello everyone, welcome back to GearUpWindows. In this video, I will show you how to enable a startup boost in Microsoft Edge on Windows 11 or Windows 10. A startup boost helps Microsoft Edge launch much faster after you sign into Windows. It keeps a few core browser processes running in the background, so when you open Edge it starts almost instantly. If you use Edge frequently, enabling this feature can improve your browsing experience. Let's see how to turn it. First, open Microsoft Edge, then click on the triple dot menu in the extreme right top corner. After that, scroll down and select Settings in the drop down menu. Under Edge Settings, in the left side pane, select System and Performance. On the right pane, click on a Startup Boost. In case here a Startup Boost is disabled, turn on this one toggle to enable a Startup Boost. That's it. A boost is now enabled. If you don't want Edge to stay running in the background when you close it, you can also turn off the continue running background extensions and app when Edge is closed option. A startup boost will still work, although Microsoft recommends leaving background apps enabled for the best startup performance. Keep in mind that a startup boost works only when Microsoft Edge is installed on your computer, and it may be unavailable if your device is using battery saver mode or certain power saving policies. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the Gear Up Windows channel for more Windows and browser tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.